Hello, and today I'm at a cold, wet and windy Kirby Commercials on the Alcester Road at Portway, and I'm pleased to show you this 2007 on a 7 plate Ford Transit, and this is the GLX and is a short wheelbase, low roof. It's in this eye-catching saffron yellow. And one of the reasons we wanted to show you this van is because it's in absolutely mint condition. I'll start this review by showing you the interior. As I mentioned, this is the GLX, which is essentially equivalent to the Trend. Therefore, it's got lots of luxuries all around the interior, including automatic lights and window wipers, which is a nice feature. And one thing that I like are these chrome outlines on the steering wheel. It's multifunctional with cruise control, as well as controls for the radio. And comes with armrests. And this rather rare feature that you don't find in many Transits, which is the passenger airbag. Although it's pretty much expected nowadays, this is quite rare and is just something worth mentioning. As with all Transits, it's got great storage space all around, with these quite clever pockets on top, as well as this good sized glove box and cup holders here on the front, as well as down on the sides for both passengers and drivers. It's got these huge side storage bins. And one thing again that's worth mentioning, as with all Transits, is that great driver positioning. You really can see all of the road when you're sat up here. And everything's where you'd expect it to be. With it being the GLX, it's quite a luxurious van to sit in. As I mentioned, this really is in perfect condition. And as I open the back doors, you can see here that for an 11-year-old vehicle, there's barely a mark here in the back. It really is like brand new, as it rolled out in the factory all those years ago. You get so used to seeing vans which are battered inside, so it's really nice, and we thought we'd show you this one that's come to us looking like this. That saffron yellow is really brightening up this rather miserable day. Another thing that I should mention is that inside the bulkhead has been painted yellow, as opposed to the standard black that you get in all Transits, which really brightens up the cabin. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please leave a like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.